Hello there, I hope you are keeping well and welcome to another video on my channel House of Paper Doll. If you are new here, my name is Stephanie, welcome, and before we go any further, please hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing all about this absolutely stunning bag, which is from the Cambridge Satchel Company. This is the Push Lock bag, and I have it in the beautiful Peony Blush Pink. So I'm going to be talking through the bag itself, what fits inside, and how I like to wear it, because you can wear this three ways. The Cambridge Satchel Company of British handmade, quality, and simply beautiful handbags. Their array of designs, shades and styles have been a favourite of mine for many years. I have quite a few bags from the Cambridge Satchel Company. So this bag was very kindly gifted to me, which I was incredibly excited about, being a huge fan of the brand. So to begin with, I'm just gonna briefly talk about the colour of the bag. As mentioned, this is the Peony Blush Pink. It's a rich, deep pink that is a timeless classic. I love that it actually appears an ever so slightly different shade of pink in certain lights, especially in photographs. Like in some photographs it looks a little bit brighter, but it is a rich, deep pink. I've got this in daylight, so hopefully you can see the true colour of it on the screen. It's also a shade that goes with absolutely everything in the wardrobe. It goes with blacks, it goes with denims, browns, beiges, greens, you name it. It's the type of shade that goes with everything. It's also one that works regardless of the season too. I initially thought this would be more of a spring bag because it was pink, but this goes with so many of my autumn winter clothing. So for me, this is definitely an all year round bag. I've worn this so much on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see this bag popping up quite a lot, but it just goes literally with everything that I wear, and it just works so well at the moment with all the autumn foliage and the colours. I love it. And it's a nice change from kind of blacks and browns, to be honest, as well, which is what I generally tend to reach for. So for me, this is a nice pop of colour to add to an outfit without being too much. It's still quite subtle and quite classic, but it's just nice to have that little pop of colour. So this bag comes in a variety of shades. Peony Blush Pink has to be my favourite shade of theirs so far. It is just exquisite. I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's move on to the actual bag itself, the Push Lock bag. Absolutely adore the design of the Push Lock bags, the kind of vintage nod, the fact that it's so practical and a handy size, and also the fact that you can wear this three ways makes it such a functional bag, as well as being so classic and so stylish. So I'm a huge fan of these types of bags because I really like the open and close feature, the actual push lock itself. It's just very easy to get into the bag. The leather as well, it does soften over time as well, so the closure to begin with, if it comes and it's a little bit stiff, the more you wear it and the more you're using it, the a lot easier it will get to open and close. But it's so handy as well if you're in a store, literally to close it, you just push down like that, which especially at the moment, because I'm always really conscious about touching everything if I'm in a shop, so to be able to go like that, close your handbag, absolutely, I love that. And the lock closure, the actual like sound of the lock closure, it means then it's secure. It's not one where you have to press anything in or twist. It is just literally push in, open, close. So this is made in the most beautiful 100% leather. And then at the back you have the Cambridge Satchel Company little logo right there. I actually love that little feature on the back. So I'm such a big fan of these type of bags, just because the fact that you can wear them different ways means that you get so much more wear out of them. They are the kind of bag that you keep reaching for over and over again because they're just so practical, as well as being so classic that they go with everything too. So I'll quickly give you the dimensions of the bag. As each bag is handmade, the dimensions itself will vary ever so slightly, but will be approximately, width is 7.5 inches, which is about 19 centimeters. The height of it is 6 inches, which is 15 centimeters, so a small ruler size, and then the depth is 2.4 inches, which is 6 centimeters, and that's at the base. So this bag can be worn 3 ways, and it comes with a completely detachable shoulder strap. The strap itself is completely adjustable as well. The whole strap length is 54.5 inches, which is about 138 centimeters, and the strap width is about half an inch, so that's about 1.3 centimeters. There are 7 holes on the actual strap, so you can adjust this quite a lot. I have it on the shortest one for me to wear crossbody, but I am quite a short person anyway. I have a really short body and I'm only 5'2" in height. So if you're quite a bit taller than me, you've still got a lot there to go with the length. It's really quick and easy as well to actually like clip this on. I like the fact that it's a swivel clasp. You just push down and hook on. And likewise on the other side, again, I like that it swivels, so you don't have to worry about having the strap a certain way round when you're doing this. You can just hook it on. You can just hook it on, and there you go. You can actually like sort it out and swivel it round to how you prefer to wear it. So you can wear these bags 3 ways, which is what I love about them. You can wear them as just a regular shoulder bag, you can wear them as a crossbody bag, or you can take the adjustable and detachable leather strap off. Really easy and simple. And then it becomes a clutch bag, which makes it such a great day to evening bag, because this is just a great one then that you can use for a date night, going out brunch with the girls, bars, pubs, restaurants, once we are. So for me, this has become my everyday bag. Now that we sort of aren't commuting really much anymore and a lot more people are working from home, I'm finding that the big tote bags that I always used to basically carry the kitchen sink in around with me, I don't really need anymore. And I don't think now that I would go back to that, because I find that I actually only really need to carry the essentials. I don't need to be carrying all that excessive stuff. So this bag is perfect for that. This is my everyday bag. It fits in everything that I need, and I use this for the school run, running errands, doing the shopping, appointments, coffee run. It's just such an easy, comfortable, ideal kind of size. It's one that doesn't really get in the way. It fits nicely on the body, sort of behind on the hip or at the front. I like with the crossbody that it gives me hands-free, especially at the moment when you're shopping. Again, I'm so conscious of touching stuff and having to go in and out my handbag a lot. So this is such a good bag for that, because you can carry your shopping bags easily when this is crossbody. Likewise for me, always having a spare hand to hold the kid's hand. So crossbody bags for me at the moment are the only bags that I'm using. So I'm going to show you now what fits inside. Despite the fact that it looks like a small bag, these actually do pack in maybe a little bit more than you think. And you can even squeeze a bit more in if you wanted to. So now I'm going to fit everything inside. So I'm going to put the wallet in first. Next I'm going to go in with the hand sanitizer, and I'm going to pop in the tissues, and I'm going to pop in, just going to pop it down the side, is the lip balm with some other plasters down there as well. I'll add in a little Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, my compact mirror. I'm going to just put this mask on top like that, and then my phone, which is probably one of the chunkier ones because the pop socket just slides in there. So as you can see, that is quite full, but you can still fasten, and then if you wanted to, you can just kind of rest these sunglasses on top, and then just to show that it does all fit. And it's nice and secure as well, because with the push lock, it is, I find that these are actually really secure handbags. And then you just push open. Without the glasses, you do have a bit more space there, and it's a lot easier to close. With the glasses, it just takes a little bit of a push down. But it just goes to show that they can still easily fit. So despite the fact that it is such compact and smaller looking bag, it does pack in quite a lot. So the Cambridge Satchel Company Push Lock Bag, it will come with its own dust bag, which is great for storage protection, and this one is a drawstring one. Also handy for when we are traveling to keep things inside too. You can also personalize these bags and have your initials, for example, embossed, or a symbol. If you go onto the Cambridge Satchel Company's website, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. It gives you all the information of how you can get your item personalized, which I think is such a lovely and unique gift idea, especially for the holiday season, which is fastly approaching. The current price of the Cambridge Satchel Company's Push Lock Bag is £85. They do have delivery to most worldwide countries. Again, if you just check on their website, all the delivery information is available. For me personally as well, I absolutely love that these bags are handmade in Great Britain. You can really see the quality and craftsmanship that goes into each bag. I have, just to compare, the Cloud bag back here, just to kind of compare in size, very similar sizing actually. I've had these bags for quite a few years now, and they just wear so well. Like, they look brand new and they have been used so much. Because of the 100% leather as well, it also means that this is a great bag for all seasons, including the good old British weather. If you get caught out in the rain with this bag, which I have several times already, then it's fine. You just wipe the excess water off. It dries with no rain marks. I haven't experienced any of that. So this is quite a hard wearing bag. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully I'll see you soon on another video. Bye.